Good morning, guys and girls. I'm going to start off in a completely zoomed out weekly chart with Bitcoin. So I just wanted to show these pivotal points. So it's important to keep these high levels, or to keep a high level view on Bitcoin, and because it does respect these levels. So pivotal is ideally the levels or the points that you will use for your Fibonacci pulls. You'll see this one here, it's been respected by those lows. And then that like previous all-time high from April 21, not 100% respected, but it was resistance. It just wicked through like a swing failure pattern and it came back down. This has also just been a key level that I've always had on the way up. It retested this level, came down here, so important to have that one on your chart as well. And on the way up, on that big bull run up there was a retest there down to that 43,000 level, and that's where we are right now. So just keep these levels marked, or just regularly check back to these levels. And we're really struggling. See, we wick through, and we just can't get above there. So obviously we had the 42,000 level as a big resistance, but it seems this has been pivotal. You can see how it's been respected along there. Okay, let's go back to the this is also a pitchfork, a modified pitchfork. It's just that 0.5 level up there. We bounced off it was resistance, and then it became support there. Not really. There's a bit of reaction there, and then that midpoint has also been quite a good reaction. And then we still have these fixed range pulls that we've overcome this. There's 3 point of controls down here at around just below 42,000, so we've overcome that. And then back to this chart, it's a channel that's been going on from the highs at the end of December, and it's just been respected really well, and we're struggling to break through there now. Also quite a good, and I think there's another channel that we can add in there. Yeah, it's just more of a local channel. I'll go down to the 30. I only saw this yesterday. It was a bit late for reactions, but we've sort of claimed that trend line at the top there, moving up. Then remember these trend lines that I also had, that I showed you yesterday. Also saw them a bit late. You see, we're just at that trend line now, really fighting to get through there. It's going to go in a little bit. Yeah, we're really on there right now. So probably it's really difficult or dangerous to long when you're at support. So that is resistance. And also, to break out trade, I'm really nervous to do that. You'll have to look at the volume to see if the breakout is really strong. But you can obviously, not on the 30 minutes, but I'll rather look to the 4 hour for a reclaim, that it does that and reclaim and then push up, and then maybe there is a good entry. But then again, it's you have to see the volume to see if it's really good. If it doesn't just fake out and start going down again, is a bit dangerous. It's actually easier to trade within this trend, so it reacts there and it goes down to this second trend line that we have down here. I just want to remove that, and then I'll show you. I got into some trades yesterday. Where's that now? Well, there they are. Just gonna zoom in here a bit. So that was the trade I took. So I closed it completely up there. I looked at that resistance there, so that was 100% successful trade. And then last night I was looking at the volume, and I saw that it was holding this bottom, or support was holding, and I didn't have time because it was getting quite late. I think it was around there, and I wanted to obviously close off the day, so I didn't want to open a trade and then sit and watch it till midnight. So I just sort of took a paper trade here, but that was really good, and that was a result of looking at the volume. Unfortunately, that's on the paid platforms, but you can see what a good trade that would have been. So that's a place where I would rather apologies about that, where I would rather take a long, when you are down here and maybe taking a scalp and taking a quick take profit there, and then you have part of your trade open, and then you're in a good position for a breakout. But trading these breakouts are, yeah, there's a lot of retailers that do that, and that's where the big boys, where the liquidity starts coming, and so people will trade that, breakout that, and then Bitcoin will just swing failure that and come right down, and then there's so much liquidity there up there from our small retail traders. And I'm just going to move on to the next. Oh yeah, these are the trades I've been taking. So there's also on Axie. It's been going on for quite a while. It went up. It took my take profit one quite quickly, and then I nearly got stopped out because after take profit one, I moved my stop loss to my entry. So close to being stopped out there, but anyway, it went on, and now last night it just pushed up really hard. So I've got to adapt and put my new take profit 3 will probably be around there, and take profit 4 around there, but they're all just 10%. That was a 20% take profit. That was a 10%. Where's my other trades? Oh yeah, I've got one on basic attention token. It's slowly, but it's moving only halfway to my first take profit. You can see TP1, it's just a local high, but then that high there, I take a bigger take profit there because and there's a daily, so we're going to run into some resistance there. I haven't got a trade on Cardano, but I'm really impressed with Cardano's move yesterday. I've got spot holdings. That's my biggest spot holding is in Cardano. And then I've got one on Phantom, but this one's not doing well. This morning, when I woke up this morning, I was just still in the red, but now it's moving up. Apologies, my dog is very excited this morning. And then I've got my last one is Atom. So I've been really going for a long time. I got in a bit early. I was in the red. Take profit one already taken, but it's just hovering. So let's see how that goes. Anyway. Keep your eyes on the charts, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Cheers.